Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
The compact Wakako Minipresso GR has a simple and intuitive design that allows anybody to deliver a single shot without any hassle. Plus, it produces a nice crema that is comparable to the machine-brewed drinks at your local coffee shop. Weighs less than a pound. Includes a small storage pouch. Great to take camping. The La Pavoni EPBB 8 Europiccola allows you to craft your espresso to your liking by simply keeping the lever up for a few seconds longer to make a bigger shot. It features a built-in heater with a stainless steel element and has a milk frother for making cappuccinos. Double spout portafilter, 20-ounce water capacity, can stand up to high-volume use. The Flair Signature Kit comes with a heavy stainless steel tamper and a pressure gauge for advanced brewing control. The entire unit folds flat and fits into the included carrying case for storage or travel, so you can share your new barista skills with friends. Produces 45 milliliter shots, head detaches for easy cleaning, 5-year warranty. Wakako Nanopresso. Being both portable and compatible with Nespresso pods, the Wakako Nanopresso is an extremely convenient model that will allow you to make your favorite morning or late afternoon pick-me-up anywhere you have access to boiling water. Fits comfortably in the hand, feels solidly built, includes a detachable cup. The La Pavoni PC-16 is a commercial quality machine that would be right at home in any neighborhood cafe. It features a pressure gauge that lets you know when it's ready to steam milk for cappuccinos, and allows you to customize the size of the shots easily. Built-in heater. Glass water reservoir. Chrome-plated brass housing.